New Honda GOLDWING 2026 Safety Features. New Honda GOLDWING 2026 Active Safety and Stability. Electronically Controlled Combined ABS (CABS) distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels to provide balanced, stable stopping power, even in emergency situations. Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), a sophisticated traction control system that monitors rear wheel slip and adjusts engine torque in real time to maintain grip on slippery or uneven surfaces. Hill Start Assist (HSA) prevents the bike from rolling backward when starting on an incline by maintaining brake pressure momentarily after the lever is released. Available in 6-speed manual and 7-speed DCT automatic transmissions. Key features: technology, full-color TFT display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and LED headlights. Comfort: driving modes Tour, Sport, Econ, Rain, skid-proofing, spacious trunk, and airbags on the top-of-the-line model. Design: aerodynamic fairing for long-distance comfort, with increased storage capacity.